noise, untouched by time. People ask where I find my calm. I don't point up, I don't point out, I point inward. That's where Jah speaks without a single word. Jah inside the silence, guiding me through quiet ways. Not a voice, not a sign, just a steady light. The chaos never takes away. Jah inside the silence, holding me in subtle ways. I rise again, I rise amazed. Jah inside the silence stays. Jah the silence stays. I've carried storms under my ribs, nights where nothing made sense. But even then, somewhere in the haze, I felt a warmth that didn't belong to fear. It wasn't a miracle, it wasn't salvation. It was Jah telling me, rest. You're allowed to breathe again. And every time I sit alone in the low light, Jah rearranges the shadows so they stop crushing me. I don't need temple, I don't need perfect faith. I just need those moments when everything slows and the weight in my chest learns to flow. Jah isn't distant. Jah isn't distant. Jah isn't loud. Jah is the gentle shift when I stop fighting my own